This is my 2013 Lexus RX350. This is kind of the 2 years update. I'm going to go through all the things that's happened in the past 9 months with the car, what's changed, what's new, what's old, and mainly just the brake change occupies, I think, a majority of this video. It's still, in my opinion, a really nice looking car, especially from this generation. And we're starting to get to the point where we might be looking to say goodbye to the car. But for this video, we won't talk too much about that. Let's get into everything that's happened the past 9 months. Today we are changing all 4 wheels for some all-weather wheels. Unfortunately, we didn't get new wheels. We are getting fairly used wheels that, well, have kind of not wheels. So I ended up going to Canadian Tire to buy this for the oil filter. I couldn't get the filter off with anything else, so we're going to try to use this. This is the right tool. It was $11.99, $12. So I'm going to try to use this to get the oil filter out. Yeah.
The one here smells nice. I can smell the candles.
My wife has given it some battle scars, as you can see over here. Other than that, it's been a truly reliable car, and I still till this day love how these things look. Some people have commented that they bought one and it's one of the best purchases they've made till date, and I second that. These things are robust, reliable. My suspension has started to squeak. Someone did comment that these things are known to have squeaky suspension. I am seeing that right now, but other than that, it's been a great overall car. I have had 0 issues. That's a lie. I've had all the issues that came with. I still get an engine light come on every once in a while. Today I wanted to do a brake change, so I'm going to bring you along, do the brake change, and try to get it up and running for the spring. That's the click. days after, well, 1 day after the brake change, and the brake has held up really well so far. I didn't completely screw things up. As you guys saw, I had an issue with the driver rear tire where it seems like the rust had gotten the better of the car, and the shoe had somehow gotten loose and kicked to the caliper. But other than that, it's driving good. This thing's rattling. It's been driving good, stopping good, and I do still get that occasional engine light, which I have to try to figure out this coming week. And that brings us to the end of the video. The entire brake job cost me roughly 230 Canadian dollars, which is, I don't know what that math is, 5 apples and a banana in the US, whatever that is, but 230 Canadian dollars is what it cost me, and I think that's pretty good considering this is still considered a luxury car. If that was BMW, Mercedes, I don't know what that's going to cost. If you have one of those cars and you do a brake change, leave a comment below. I don't foresee, it might even be very similar. This has been a workhorse. It's done everything, and it's going to continue to do everything as long as we own it. My wife is, however, thinking of getting something different. Maybe more on that in a different video. For now, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.